Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project monitoring system for Optimum Wheat Germination, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. This project helps you monitor temperature and humidity in the environment and give you an alert if temperature exceeds a particular level that is not suitable for wheat germination in the field. The optimum temperature range for ideal germination of wheat seed is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Whenever the temperature is above 25 degrees Celsius, a buzzer blows as an indicator. The objective of this project is to help the farmers and wheat producers to manage the temperature and humidity for optimum production. The components used to develop this project are an Arduino Nano board over which the code will run, DHT11 sensor for sensing temperature and humidity, an I2C LCD over which temperature and humidity are displayed, a piezoelectric buzzer that will blow as an alert for unsuitable temperature for wheat seed germination, a 5-volt power adapter for power supply. Let us see the demonstration of this project. This is our setup. Turn on the power supply, and you can see the buzzer is blowing since the temperature measured is 35 degrees Celsius, which is greater than our set temperature. Interested in developing your own monitoring system for Optimum Wheat Germination project? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of the project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.